Hey, what's up, beauties? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. Today's video is basically going to be about me talking about why I'm so excited right now. Which I am sure you already know from the title, so let me not be so dramatic. Let me scale it back. But today I am excited just to announce the fact that I officially hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, if only y'all knew how hard it was, which I'm sure you do, but if only y'all really knew how hard it is to get 1,000 subscribers, like, bruh. Like, I'm so excited right now. Like, I'm really happy. I'm actually on the verge of hitting 1,100 subscribers. So I'm really excited about this. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm going to keep grinding. The next goal is 5,000 subscribers. That will be the next giveaway. Yeah, today, I didn't even say it. I'm sorry. But today, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. In this giveaway, I will be giving away these lovely flat irons. So, in order for you to win these flat irons within this giveaway, the first thing you're going to have to do is follow these instructions. If you don't go directly and do it exactly how I want you to do it, you are not qualified for this giveaway. Another thing, this will be only a U.S. giveaway. I do apologize for those who would like to be a part of it and that's not a part of the U.S. I do apologize. In the future, I will expand to further countries and stuff like that. But as of right now, this is particularly those who live in the U.S. But I'm so thankful, and I just want to show my appreciation by giving something away. No, I'm not getting paid yet, so this is coming out of my funds. So be grateful. No, but these are some really good flat irons anyway. But yes, in order to win this giveaway, first you will have to make sure that if you haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Click the bell notification. You have to screenshot that you are subscribed to me with the bell notification on. Screenshot it, send it to my Instagram. My Instagram is @Simones_Palace, which is always up here in the corner. Yeah. Wait, no. Up here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Screenshot that, send it to my Instagram so that I can see. You can either tag me in it or you can personally inbox me, but I do recommend that you tag me in it on Instagram so that I can go back to my tag post and automatically see it, because I may not see it within my messages. If you want to feel safe by doing it both ways, that's fine with me. You can you can DM it to me, and you can also tag me in it on your Instagram. Next step, you will have to follow me on Twitter, also screenshotting that, tagging me in it, along with commenting below when you are done with these steps. Yes. So once you have completed all of these steps, you are well to go. I will be DMing, I will be DMing the person who won, as well as saying it in the video who have won this contest. And I will be announcing the winner in February. You have until February. What's today's date? Give me a second. Yes, you have until February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. You have an entire month to make this happen. So, yes, I will be doing this giveaway February 14th. That is when I will do the announcement of who won this giveaway. And I will be shipping it right to you. So, yeah. And then you're going to be nice and ready right before the spring hit. Like, get your little flat ass, hook your little stuff up or whatever. But yeah, that is all that I have to say. I just really wanted to show my appreciation to those who have subscribed to me. For those of you who are new to my channel and have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and get your little process ready to win this little giveaway. But yeah, I will catch you beauties in my next video. Let's make sure that we get this video as many likes as possible. Share this video so that others can get a chance to win the giveaway too. Don't be selfish, because you have a chance of winning. Also, yeah, that's it. I'll catch you beauties in my next video. I love you all. Thank you all for the hard work of sharing and commenting and subscribing to my channel. Like, I really appreciate you. I know I said it plenty of times. You get the point. Love you all. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye, beauties.